everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I will be teaching you how to make organic and hydrating deep conditioner with 8 main organic ingredients. And the ingredients I'll be using is flaxseed, fenugreek, hibiscus, olive oil, BTMS 25, preservative, lavender oils for fragrance or fragrance oil, and preservative. It's very vital to use preservative, guys. So these are the main ingredients I will be using. So if you are interested, stay tuned. And guys, this is how beautiful the packaging looks once it's done. Hibiscus, fenugreek and flaxseed detangling deep conditioner. This is a detangling deep conditioner treatment and it's extremely good for nourishing your hair. I will leave a link to the website down below, lebocosmetic.com, for purchase if you are interested. So stay tuned for the video tutorial. Viewers, as you can see, I will be teaching you how to make organic deep conditioner treatment using hibiscus, fenugreek and flaxseed. So as you can see, I poured my flaxseed into my boiling water, and I would like to say that these flax seeds, I blended it in my blender to have that powdery consistency because I wanted to have all the nutrients in the flaxseed. So now as you can see, I'm stirring it. So halfway through this, I will add the flax seeds, the unblended flaxseed. I like to apply both the unblended and the blended flax seeds because, as I said, I wanted all the nutrients. So now this is the flax seeds. This is the flax seed without blended, and you can see how it looks. It looks like little seeds, and I poured it in. I'll be adding the rest because I am making this for my clients. So as you can see, I just used all my flax seeds and I'm stirring. This is after 15 minutes. The flaxseed is almost done. It's got that slimy sort of consistency. I will let it boil for about 30 seconds, then I will transfer it into my bowl. So as you can see, I'm using a strainer because I just need the flaxseed gel. So I will be straining the flaxseed and get the gel out of the flaxseed. Flaxseed gel is very good for detangling, guys. Flaxseed gel is extremely good for detangling. So as you can see, I'm still mixing it in my strainer so that I can have all the gel scoop out of the strainer. Flaxseed gel is so good for detangling, and the purpose of flaxseed is that it's got vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. This helps to nourish dry, damaged hair, and the fatty acids in the flaxseed can also provide moisture to your hair. So this is extremely good for moisture, and also it helps nourish your damaged hair. So guys, as you can see, I'm still straining the flaxseed. I just wanted to let you guys know the benefits of flaxseed because a lot of you viewers might not know why I'm using flaxseed. So now I'm almost done with straining my flaxseed, and these are the excess. Some people blend these excess seeds of flaxseed and use it as a cream and mix it with their shea butter for their hair. But in today's video, I'm only doing deep hair conditioner treatment / hair treatment mask. So as you can see, I've managed to scoop a lot of gel out of the flaxseed, and I am so happy, guys, that I got a lot. So the flaxseed, as I said, helps with damaged hair, and also the omega-3 fatty acid in the flaxseed helps with hair moisture. So now I added the fenugreek. The fenugreek is very good for hair loss. Fenugreek is extremely good for hair loss, and it also has iron and protein. It has this composition of plant compounds that includes flavonoids and saponins. These compounds helps to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. So this is very good for hair growth. If you're experiencing hair loss and you use fenugreek, you will have a change of your life. So guys, that's the reason why I added the fenugreek. And so guys, after the fenugreek, I will be adding my hibiscus. The hibiscus is also good for hair loss. Hibiscus is extremely good for hair loss, and also hibiscus gives your hair a healthy and lustrous look. It prevents premature graying. It thickens the hair and adds volume. Hibiscus also treats dandruff, and it conditions your hair against frizz and dryness, as well as breakage. If you've got split ends, hibiscus also prevents split ends. So guys, just imagine all these ingredients, and now I will be adding my olive oil. Olive oil is very, very good for hair growth. You cannot make a good deep conditioner / good hair mask without adding any oils. So now I will be adding my silicone and collagen mix, and this silicone and collagen mix is in the powder form. And what this does to your hair is that collagen makes your strands more elastic, and it's very, very good for hair breakage. So if you're experiencing breakage, this will help lessen your hair breakage. Also, collagen calms the frizziness, and it makes your hair very shiny and more manageable. Keratin helps with your hair fibers, and it's also responsible for healthy hair structure. So these are the main reasons why I'm adding all these ingredients into my hair. So guys, now what I'll be doing is, this is the BTMS25, and this is an emulsifier. This is the deep conditioner. This is the main component of deep conditioner treatment. This is the one of the main ingredients you need in a deep conditioner treatment. So what does BTMS25 do? BTMS25 is a conditioning emulsifying ingredient that can be used to emulsify lotions and body scrubs. However, it's more commonly used to make hair conditioning and shampoo products. So guys, as I said, BTMS25, as you can see, is used for making shampoos and conditioners. So now I am using my BTMS25. You basically add distilled water, put in your saucepan, mix it, then after you have your deep conditioner creamy consistency. And now, as you can see, I just added my blended ingredients, which is my fenugreek, my flaxseed gel, my oils, my collagen and keratin powder, my hibiscus, everything mixed together. I've added it to my BTMS25 deep conditioning emulsifier, and I've mixed everything together. So now I will leave this on fire for about 3 to 5 minutes and make sure that everything is cooked and thickened. So now it's done. So I have transferred it into my glass bowl, and I will be adding extra oils. This is sweet almond oil, and this is very, very good for hair growth. And as you can see, I added more of the conditioner to it after I poured the sweet almond oil. And now what I'll be doing is I will be mixing it, and make sure I mix enough to have a good consistency. Guys, this is so good. Tea tree gives you that minty feeling. It calms the scalp. So I had to add a few drops of my tea tree oil, mix it together, mix it really, really well. And now what I will be doing next is to add a bit more of my tea tree oil, because I have a very, very big bowl filled with deep conditioner treatments or deep conditioner hair mask. So now after, I will be adding oud fragrance oil, and this gives you a nice fragrance, because you cannot have a deep conditioner and sometimes have all these different strong smells. So now I added my oud fragrance oil to make sure my deep conditioner gives me that nice perfume. And now I added more of my hibiscus powder, because the hibiscus that I used was not enough. So this time around I added more of my hibiscus powder, and that will give me that burgundy sort of color after I hand blend. So now I transferred my deep conditioner into my pink bowl, which is much bigger, and I added more of the hibiscus powder, and I am hand blending this, and as you can see, the color has just transformed from that whitish creamy color to a nice sort of burgundy reddish color. And guys, this deep conditioner I'm making, as I said, is going to nourish your hair. This is 100% organic. This is the best deep conditioner. I started using this almost 6 months ago. After my hair transplant, I decided not to buy deep conditioners from hair shops ever again, because those conditioners are mixed with chemicals. So now I will add preservatives. Preservatives will make sure that this deep conditioner will last you from 6 to 12 months. So these preservatives will make sure that this deep conditioner will last you from 6 to 12 months. So it's always good to apply a preservative when you make homemade or DIY shampoos or DIY hair mask or deep conditioner. So that, as you can see, I just mixed it well. Now I will be hand blending so that all the sweet almond oil, all the oud fragrance, and all the preservative will mix well as all the ingredients will mix well. Guys, this is beautiful. This color is amazing, guys. So this deep conditioner or deep conditioner hair mask is extremely good for detangling hair, guys. If you try this deep conditioner, you will never try any other deep conditioner. If you want to make it at home, as you can see, all the ingredients are listed down below in my description box, as well as if you want to purchase it from my website, I will leave a link in the description box down below. Guys, as you can see, I'm bottling them up into the jar. These deep conditioners are 250 ml each, and these are for my website for clients that have purchased as well as for sale. So guys, you can check Lebu Cosmetic out. I will put a link in the description box down below so that you can have a look at the deep conditioner. Guys, look at how beautiful these deep conditioners are looking. So now everything is set and ready for the website. So the next step will be me sticking my labels on them. I just thought I should come on camera and let you guys know how I make my organic deep conditioner treatment. This is extremely good for all hair textures, for C to 1A hair textures, guys. It's very, very good for all textures, and I can guarantee you, if you have a 4C hair texture, this deep conditioner is extremely good for detangling, especially because of the keratin and collagen, as well as the flaxseed gel I added. So hope you viewers did enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Thank you, and bye bye.